Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to log into CRM application and what you see first when you log into CRM. So to log into CRM application, you need to give your login ID and password and then you click login. And the moment you log in, you come on the home page of the application. On the home page, you see some beautiful reports and dashboard as per your profile. So if you are a CEO or you are a general manager, you are a normal telecaller or a salesperson, when you log into your application, your homepage dashboard will change as per your profile. So don't look at what kind of reports and dashboards are here today. This is all for demo purpose, but we will configure the reports and dashboard for you as per your requirements. On the right hand side here, you can see items to approve. So if you are a manager, you need to approve certain items. Those requests you will see over here. This is the right side. This is called today's task. So when you log into your CRM application, you will see which are the tasks pending for you today. So you will be able to complete your task. Here you can see your calendar events. You can see, your recent records. So this is all about the home page. The summary is in the home page you get to see all critical and important information. Whatever is critical, whatever is important information for you, we will bring those informations here on the home page, as per your requirements. Yeah, so that's all about the home page. Thank you.